Hello, curious minds. Welcome back to Reading Readiness Centers. Today, we are diving into the fascinating world of light and sound. So, buckle up, because we are about to embark on an exploration like never before. All right, young scientists, let's kick things off with the magic of light. Ever wondered how we can see the world around us? It's all thanks to light. Light, the invisible yet indispensable force that illuminates our world, is a form of energy that travels in waves. It's the reason why we can see the vibrant colors of nature, the intricate details of our surroundings, and the faces of our loved ones. Light, like a skilled magician, possesses intriguing properties. It travels in a straight line, ensuring that we see objects directly in front of us. But wait, there's more. Shadows and reflections add a whole new dimension to our light adventure. Shadows happen when an object decides to play hide-and-seek with light. See how those objects create mysterious shadows. Shadows can be big or small, depending on how close or far the light source is. And reflections. It's like magic mirrors having a dance party with light and creating captivating illusions. And when light encounters different mediums, like water or glass, it bends. A phenomenon known as refraction, giving rise to mesmerizing rainbows. Now, let's shift gears and explore the captivating world of sound. Sound is another type of energy that loves to travel in waves. But it needs a buddy to tag along. Any guesses on who that might be? Exactly, it's air. Imagine sound waves as playful messengers hopping through the air. As objects vibrate, they send ripples of sound waves through the air. That's how we get to enjoy the symphony of life, from the giggles of friends to the rustle of leaves in the wind. Ready for more? Let's unravel the mysteries of pitch and volume. Pitch is all about the highs and lows of sound. High-pitched sounds, like a bird's cheerful melody, and low-pitched sounds, like a drum's deep beat. Now, volume is the knob that controls how loud or soft a sound is. Our ears, akin to delicate microphones, capture sound waves and transform them into signals that our brain interprets as hearing. The outer ear, shaped like a funnel, collects sound waves. These waves then travel through the middle ear, where they are amplified by three tiny bones. Finally, the sound waves reach the inner ear, where they are converted into electrical signals by hair cells. These signals travel along the auditory nerve to our brain, where they are interpreted as the sounds we hear. Isn't it incredible how sound can be a diverse language of its own? It's like a symphony of everyday sounds around us, creating a magical tapestry of life. Well, fantastic explorers. That's a wrap on our journey through the realms of light and sound. We hope you had as much fun as we did. If you're buzzing with excitement, show us some love. Hit that like button, share the joy with your friends, and join our tribe by subscribing. Until our next adventure, keep your curiosity alive and your imagination soaring.